Hey guys, we're just headed back to my hometown. Gonna go grab my 1964 Ford F-100 pickup truck and gonna take that to a friend. He's a pretty good fabricator. Gonna have him install the Crown Vic front end and Thunderbird rear end to have independent suspension. It's also my grandma's 98th birthday, so gonna go say hi to her and celebrate. So let's go. We're driving the old Honda Civic SI Barbie car. Not really sure why I own it, but I do. This is a 1964 Ford F-100 custom cab. My grandpa bought it brand new in 1964 for a farm truck. It's been in the family ever since and it's been driven. It's a real good truck. The plans for it are to put the 2003 Crown Vic front end in it and the 1997 Mercury Cougar rear end in it to have full independent suspension. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to run bags on it or adjustable coils. We'll see. And I'm just going to clean up the interior and bring it back to original. And this next winter I think I'll pull the 292Y block out of it, rebuild it, and turbocharge it.